Hello everyone, my name is Ramasri Rai. Welcome at MMC. So guys, my today's topic is definitely aim, means what is your aim of life, right? Normally when you go for an interview, then definitely your interviewer will ask you what is your aim of life, what is your career objective, what is your dream destination. So guys, definitely, right, the interviewer will ask you that what is your aim. So definitely you have to give the right answer and proper answer, right? So today's topic is what aim or goal of your life. Okay, now let's go. Definitely the question will be asked that what is your aim or what do you want to become in your life, right? For an example, definitely if you want to become a doctor, then you will say, sir, I want to become a doctor. I want to become an engineer. I want to become an army officer. I want to become an IAS officer, right? So you will give answer according to your own choice, right? Okay, for an example, I'm giving you one example. Then if you want to become an army officer, then definitely he will ask you many more questions. Right, now definitely if he asks me or if he asks you what do you want to become, if you want to become an army officer, then you will say, sir, I want to become an army officer, right? I want to become an army officer. So that after that he will ask you next question. फिर उसके बाद वो आपसे next question पूछेंगे. Next क्या होगा? Alright, why do you want to go in army department? Interviewer will ask that why do you want to go in army department? Or if you want to become a doctor, definitely he will ask you why do you want to go in health department? If you want to become a teacher, he will ask you why do you want to go in education department, right? So now definitely if you want to become an army officer, then you will say, sir, I want to go in army department because I want to go in army department because it is an honorable job. So I want to go in army department because it is an honorable job, right? Second point, it is my childhood dream. Sir, it is my childhood dream, so I want to become an army officer, right? And my parents' dream too, right? And my parents wants to see me as an army officer, all right? And now I want to serve my country. I want to serve my country, and it is a transferable job, and it has adventurous life, right? And the discipline of army I like too much, and the uniform and the salutes of army I love it very much. That's why I want to go in army department. I want to get PVC, Paramvir Chakra. Different students, different cadets, they give different types of answer, right? Okay. Now guys, you have to not memorize and learn all the answers, okay? So the next question will be, then how should be an army officer? वो पूछेंगे कि फिर एक आर्मी ऑफिसर कैसा होना चाहिए, राइट? अगर मैं कहूँ कि आई वांट टू बिकम अ टीचर, आप पूछेंगे सर हाउ शुड बी अ टीचर, एक टीचर कैसा होना चाहिए? आप जरूर ये क्वेश्चन करेंगे. Am I right, wrong? Okay, now so definitely there are 15 OLQs guys. आर्मी ऑफिसर के लिए 15 OLQs हैं, and that you have to give the answer 15 OLQs. Okay, so the first point is definitely if you want to become an army officer, you have to give answer like this. Okay, an army officer should have effective intelligence. Effective intelligence. Sir, an army officer should have effective intelligence. Now you can see this gentleman man is an army officer and he has effective intelligence. Okay, now next question is that, all right, next one, that an army officer should have reasoning ability. Okay, if an army officer has not reasoning ability, he cannot get success in war, right? Now you have seen so many movies, right? कभी कभी जो आपके ऑफिसर्स होते हैं वो छोड़ देते हैं आप पर as you wish, राइट जैसा आप चाहें, अगर आप चाहें तो आगे जाएं, आप चाहें तो पीछे आएं. तो if you have not reasoning ability, if an army officer has not reasoning ability, he cannot fight war. Okay, so an army officer should have reasoning ability. Next point is that an army officer should have power of expression, right? An army officer should have power of expression. Means he should have magic in his language. Means an army officer should have magic, should have power in his language, then he will be a perfect army officer. Okay, so guys, the next point is an army officer should have self-confidence. Self-confidence. Self-confidence means that I can do and I believe it. If I can't, so who can? I can, I think I can, so I can and I will do. This is the confidence. The confidence level of an army officer should be high. If confidence level is not high, then he cannot win the war. Okay, all right. Okay, next point is that an army officer should have strong determination. An army officer should have strong determination. I mean to say that I can do this and I will fight and I will win the war, right? He should have strong determination. Means once he decides to go ahead, they never go back. And this should be an army officer. Now you can see, wow, fantastic. The picture, you can see that how alert they are, how determined they are, right? Okay, next point is that an army officer should have organizing ability. You can see this, that an army officer should have organizing ability. आप जानते हैं कि ड्यूरिंग वॉर अगर ठीक से आर्मी को डिप्लॉय नहीं किया गया, ठीक से ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं किया गया, तो that it would be difficult to win the battle. Okay, तो definitely organizing ability बहुत superb quality होनी चाहिए. All right. Now, next point is that an army officer should be initiative. इनिशिएटिव मतलब होता है पहले. जैसे होता नहीं, कहीं कहीं पे ऐसा होता है, कौन जाएगा पहले किसी भी मिशन पर, कहीं भी किसी को किसी भी जगह पे किसी भी टेररिस्ट को कैप्चर करना है, हु विल बिल्ड द कैट, मतलब सबसे पहले कौन जाएगा. तो एन आर्मी ऑफिसर शुड बी इनिशिएटिव. आई विल गो द फर्स्ट, बी द फर्स्ट एवरी टाइम, एवरीवन, everywhere. It means that if you want to reach at the top, you have to be the first. ओके, बहुत सारे लोग हिमालय की चोटी पर चढ़े, लेकिन जो पहली बार चढ़ा है तो जाहिर सी बात है उसका नाम हमेशा हमेशा के लिए रोशन रहेगा. तो डेफिनेटली दैट एन आर्मी ऑफिसर शुड बी इनिशिएटिव. ओके, सो गाइज, नाउ इफ यू वांट टू बिकम एन आर्मी ऑफिसर, नाउ यू हैव टू सी वेदर यू हैव ऑल दीज क्वालिटीज आर नॉट. आपके पास ये सारी क्वालिटी है या नहीं. नहीं है, inculcate all these qualities. Okay, next point is an army officer should have great courage. Courage होना चाहिए. Now you can see how bold they are, how courageous they are. An army officer should be courageous, bold. All right. Okay, next point is an army officer should be cooperative. An army officer कैसा होना चाहिए? Sense of cooperation होना चाहिए, cooperative होना चाहिए. He should cooperate his soldiers, his officers, everyone he should cooperate. Okay, next one is an army officer should have sense of responsibility. सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या होता है? जैसे मुझे 8 घंटे काम करना है, तो अगर ज़रूरत पड़े तो मैं 12 घंटे भी करूंगा, ज़रूरत पड़े तो 16 घंटे भी करूंगा, ज़रूरत पड़े तो 20 घंटे भी करूंगा. दिस इज कॉल्ड सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. ओके, ऑलराइट. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज एन आर्मी ऑफिसर शुड हैव ग्रेट स्टैमिना. कैसा स्टैमिना होना चाहिए? शुड हैव ग्रेट स्टैमिना. An army officer should have great stamina. Stamina का मतलब क्या होता है? काम करने की क्षमता. स्टैमिना टू वर्क, कि जरूरत पड़े तो आप 24 घंटे भी बिना भोजन के रह सकते हो, जरूरत पड़े तो 24 घंटे आप लड़ सकते हो. आप देख सकते हैं, इस पिक्चर को देखिए कि व्हाट ए स्टैमिना दे हैव ग्रेट स्टैमिना. दे आर हैंगिंग फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, बट they have a stamina, right? They can run a lot, that's why they can jump a lot, they can swim for a long time, they can shoot anyone for a long time. This is what? Stamina. All right. Next one is an army officer. Oh, wait. And wait. An army officer should have great stamina. Definitely, an army officer should have group influencing ability. Group influencing ability means that definitely an army officer should have to influence his group by his magical words, by motivating them, by telling them adventurous stories like that. Okay, now an army officer should have liveliness. Liveliness मतलब जिंदा दिली, हमेशा खुश, प्रसन्न, स्माइल, राइट? हर सिचुएशन में अपने को खुश रखना, हर सिचुएशन में अपने को बनाए रखना. ऑलराइट. Next one, an army officer should have social adaptability. जैसा माहौल है वैसा उनके हिसाब से ढल जाना चाहिए. If you are in forest, you have to manage yourself. If you are in city, you can manage yourself in city. Okay? Now, last one is an army officer should have speed of decision. आप जानते हैं अगर speed of decision नहीं है तो definitely during war आप समझ सकते हो छोटी सी decision गड़बड़ हो गई तो there may be a great loss of soldiers and great loss of human power, right? So guys, all these 15 OL cues you have to learn by heart, and second thing that you have to inculcate all these good habits in you, right? So guys, next one I'm going to discuss you some important words with picture. Okay, this is word guys, debris. अगर इस word को कई बार pronounce करेंगे, बोलिए debris, debris, debris. Please don't shy. Repeat after me. Debris, 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 debris. जब इस वर्ड को कई बार आप प्रोनाउंस करेंगे तो इसका उच्चारण हो जाएगा डेब्री. क्या हो जाएगा? डेब्री. यहाँ पे यस प्रोनाउंसिएशन में गायब हो जाएगा. अब देखिए डेब्री मीन्स होता क्या है, देख लीजिए यहाँ पे मलबा है. जैसे कोई बिल्डिंग वगैरह गिर जाती है ना तो मलबा, देखिए एक बिल्डिंग गिरा हुआ है, सब मलबा दिख रहा है, राइट? अभी किसी काम का नहीं है, कूड़ा कचरा हो गया है. तो समथिंग डिस्ट्रॉयड, कोई चीज जब नष्ट हो जाती है तो उसी को हम लोग मलबा कहते हैं, डेब्रिस कहते हैं. तो डेब्री मीन्स क्या होगा? समथिंग डिस्ट्रॉयड. बोलिए मेरे साथ, डेब्रिस मीन्स समथिंग डिस्ट्रॉयड. डेब्री मीन्स समथिंग डिस्ट्रॉयड. और फिर द रूइन ऑफ ब्रोकन डाउन स्ट्रक्चर. आप देख लीजिए, द रूइन ऑफ ब्रोकन डाउन स्ट्रक्चर, right? So this you have to learn. So easily we learned with the help of picture that debris means something destroyed. बोलिए मेरे साथ, repeat after me. Debris means something destroyed. और हुआ क्या? मलबा. Is it clear now? Very good. Okay, next one is starvation. What is this? Pronounce after me. Starvation. Starvation. Starvation means होता है, देखिए भूखमरी है, बच्चे देखिए भोजन के लिए परेशान हैं, भोजन नहीं मिल पा रहा है, तो डेफिनेटली है शॉर्टेज ऑफ फूड एंड रिसोर्सेज. भूखमरी कब आती है? जब हमारे पास भोजन नहीं होता है, हमारे पास चीज़ें नहीं होती हैं, हमारे पास खाने की नहीं होती हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड शॉर्टेज ऑफ फूड. ओके, एंड 15 पीपल डाइड ड्यू टू स्टार्वेशन. 15 people died due to starvation. Oh my God. So guys, my humble request, do not waste food. Do not waste eatables. Always serve poor and needy people. Alright? Okay. Let's go. Okay guys, stab means क्या होता है? छुरा भोंकना. Stab means छुरा भोंकना. Wow. So, on with a pointed tool or weapons, you can see by this picture. Oh my God, this man is stabbing. Oh, how painful it is. Oh my God. इसे बोलते हैं, एक वर्ड है बैक स्टैबर, पीछे से वार करने वाला, राइट? बैक बाइटर भी होता है, चुगलखोर होता है, राइट? वुंड मेड बाय स्टैबिंग. देखिए बन रहा है ना, वुंड मेड बाय स्टैबिंग. ओके, इफ यू स्टैब इन माय हार्ट गाइस, if you stab my heart, definitely, all right, I won't laugh. Okay, if you stab in my heart, I won't live. अगर आप मेरे दिल पर छुरा मारेंगे तो मैं नहीं जीऊंगा. So please don't stab on my heart. Okay, thank you. Next one is stampede. What is this guys? कई बार स्पेलिंग में पूछता है. STAMPED. Stampede means क्या होता है? भगदड़ होता है. देखिए सब भाग रहे हैं, राइट? A sudden rush, जब भगदड़ होती है, जब भी कोई बॉम्ब रखा है, my God, rush fast. भगदड़ होता है, मैं भागूंगा और लोग भागेंगे. कुछ लोग इसलिए भागेंगे कि और क्यों भाग रहे हैं. तो स्टैम्पेड मीन्स भगदड़. क्या होता है? भगदड़. स्टैम्पेड मीन्स भगदड़. तो इंग्लिश में सडन रश होगा. ओके, रन अवे इन पैनिक. ओ माय गॉड, इन पैनिक मेनी पीपल रैन अवे. ओके, अ वायलेंट मूवमेंट बाय क्राउड ऑफ पीपल. ए वायलेंट मूवमेंट, बहुत सारे लोग जैसे मॉल में हैं, बॉम्ब रखा है, सब लोग भागेंगे एक साथ. दैट इज कॉल्ड स्टैम्पेड. मेनी पीपल डाइड इन स्टैम्पेड, राइट? ओके, नेक्स्ट वन. Now, matrimonial. Okay, wait. Okay guys, matrimonial means क्या होता है? ये एडजेक्टिव है कनेक्टेड विथ मैरिज। देखिए क्या बात है, कितना सुंदर जोड़ी है, राइट? सलामत रहे ये जोड़ी तुम्हारी, लाइक दैट। तो मैट्रिमोनियल मीन्स व्हाट इज दैट? कनेक्टेड विथ मैरिज। मैट्रिमोनियल एडवर्टीजमेंट आता है, बहुत सारे लोग ट्राई भी करते हैं और कुछ लोगों को अच्छा सुटेबल लाइफ पार्टनर मिल भी जाता है, ठीक है? तो हु विशेस टू गेट अ सुटेबल लाइफ पार्टनर, हु विशेस टू गेट अ लाइफ पार्टनर, ही सीज और she sees matrimonial ad. Do you see matrimonial ad? Yes sir, I see, I watch, I see matrimonial ad. Okay, तो वैवाहिक होता है matrimonial means. Next word is conspirator. Conspirator means क्या होता है बताइए? षड्यंत्रकारी। देखिए एकदम षड्यंत्रकारी लग रहे हैं। Oh my God, I fear of conspirator. Okay, now one who takes part in conspiracy. जो व्यक्ति कॉन्स्पिरेसी में पार्ट लेता है उसे ही हम क्या कहते हैं? कॉन्स्पिरेटर कहते हैं। The conspirators were arrested. You know, yesterday many conspirators were arrested. You know, yes, I know many conspirators were arrested yesterday. And today's last word is confluence. Confluence means क्या होता है? बहुत सुंदर वर्ड है, संगम। क्या आप कभी प्रयागराज आए हैं? देखिए, अगर आएंगे, देखिए क्या है, ये गंगा जी का पानी, ये यमुना जी का पानी, राइट? यहाँ पे दो नदियाँ मिलती हैं, राइट? देखिए एक इधर से गंगा जी, एक यमुना जी, राइट? तो कॉन्फ्लुएंस मीन्स अ प्लेस वेयर टू रिवर्स मीट, जहाँ दो नदियाँ मिलती हैं उसे संगम कहते हैं। कॉन्फ्लुएंस मीन्स संगम कहते हैं। ओके, सो गाइज आज के लिए बस इतना है। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। सो गाइज, इट्स माई हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट, इफ यू रियली enjoy, if you really like something, if this video is really informative and useful for you, so please and please pass your valuable comment, share this channel and subscribe this channel, and as well as like this channel and share this link to your friends, and so your near and dear will be also benefited. And guys, if you have any problem, if something is not digestible, then definitely you can give your right comment, and if you do not like anything, then you can dislike also this. The choice is yours. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching this video. Take care all and good day all.